bring on board now Mehul Kothari, Deputy Vice President Technical Research, Anand Rathi Shares and Stockbrokers, to talk to us about the technicals. Mehul, good afternoon. As of now, today the Nifty is moved to the day's lowest point below 26,000. What should one keep an eye out on this week in terms of the levels? And if we don't close about 26,000, what would it mean then?
Well, good afternoon, Vinny. Thanks for having me on the show. There was a gap on the daily chart of Nifty, which was expected to get filled somewhere near to 25,950. And that gap has been filled in today's session. So Nifty has now retraced overall 61.8% of the recent rally, which started from 25,700 to 26,200, which is the recent top. So on the momentum front, what we are witnessing is early RSI is entering an oversold zone. So this indicates potential exhaustion on the downside, and we expect buying interest to re-emerge from the zone of 25,950, which is the current level, to 25,850. So this 100 points range can be considered as a buying zone for the fresh long positions. Overall, the key support for Nifty seems to be around 25,700. And as long as this level holds, the broader structure remains positive. Traders can consider even executing a bull call spread for the next week expiry if they want to participate in potential bounce with controlled risk. But overall, having said that, we feel that buying traction is expected to remain stronger in individual stocks rather than the index.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Mehul, what's your sense in terms of a lot of these metal stocks which are gaining? How would you approach them going into next year?
Well, we have been bullish, quite bullish on all these names, specifically Hind Copper. We have initiated by somewhere near to 200 in our Diwali picks a couple of years back. So we continue to remain bullish. In fact, one of my pick today also is from a metal pack.
Okay, and take us through the picks as well for today.
Well, first is JSW Steel. One can go long in the stock somewhere near to 1100 if at all it comes. So keep a stop loss of 1070 with an upside target of 1160. The stock has seen a healthy retracement from its recent peak and has shown signs of reversal after testing its 200 EMA. So this indicates a potential resumption of the uptrend in JSW Steel. Another stock which we want to discuss is, this is not a recommendation, but yes, Adani Ports we want to discuss because there are early signs of fresh weakness emerging in the stock. It is hovering close to a breakdown zone and below 1450. Some profit booking could be seen in the stock. So traders should closely watch this level for further price action. So Adani Ports, one should be watch out for, and JSW Steel, which we are bullish on.
A couple of these railway stocks which you've managed to look at, which are under pressure.
In railway space, we feel that this could be a buying opportunity, but today is the first day of this profit booking. So one should wait for a couple of sessions, let them cool down. And again, there would be a buying opportunity. Specifically, if we talk RVNL, which we are liking currently, it is 370. If it comes to 350, then the risk reward would be highly attractive to go long.
Okay. Highly attractive to go long. Wait out for the names coming in there in terms of maybe some correction or profit booking before you look at it as well. Mehul, do you have any view today coming in even on something like an HFCL? They see good volumes as well.
See, it's a highly underperforming stock, HFCL. If we talk about it's trading below its 200 EMA. So overall, the trend is negative. But yes, today there is a possibility of reversal because the volumes are quite high. And if it closes above 65, which is a strong resistance zone, it did cross it in intraday. But closing with 65 is an important level. So if it closes above that, then there is a possibility of some pullback in the stock towards 70 or 72. Overall, the support is now at 60. Below 60, there could be further downside.
Okay. All right, Mehul, we're going to let you go on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through all of those calls. That's Mehul Kothari on the technicals. We'll take a short break.
Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. This data is from our research report coverage.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.